Hey y'all, Iric Sky here, and this is how to move games from your internal PS5 storage to your SSD. Now, if you haven't installed an SSD, check the link within this video's description, and I posted a video there explaining step-by-step how I installed my SSD and how, where to order it as well. I've linked that SSD within this video's description. But you go to Settings, you go to Storage, and then you go to your console storage, which is selected. So you're going to go to Games and Apps. And I'm just going to move them all over. So what I'll do is select the first game, and then I can do Select Items to Move. Now see, there's a checkbox. So I'm going to move both games. I've got two games. I've got Battlefield and PGA Tour. So then I do Next or do Move, and it says the item selected M2 storage. It tells the size. Now my M2 is 2,000 gigabytes. So to give you an idea of how many games I could store in the future, that's really nice. Hit OK, and there it goes. It doesn't take too long. And this is a fast SSD. Depending upon the speed of your SSD, it may not be as fast, or it may be faster. You know, maybe you bought a really fancy and expensive SSD. I like the one I got because it's fast and it's affordable. And again, I've linked it within this video's description. But yeah, and the good thing about the SSD is that you can play the games from your SSD. Traditionally connected USB external hard drive, at least at the time of filming this, will only allow you to store PS5 games. It won't let you play PS5 games. But the SSD will let you play PS5 games from the SSD, as well as store PS5 games to the SSD. So, and you don't have any cables sticking out. You know, I like the digital system because now, and I charge, I've still got the USB cable, but I charge my remote across the room, so I can just tuck that PS5 back, you know, so it still gets airflow, but tuck it away and not have to look at it or look at any cables sticking out of it for hard drive, etc. So this is the way to do it. But yeah, that's how you copy games to your SSD if you've installed an SSD in your PS5. Hope this video helped. If it did, subscribe to my channel, ring that bell, and if it made you feel really good, send me a super thanks. Not required, but send me a super thanks if you want to. You can find the thanks button directly below this video. Y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Iric Sky here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.